Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be changing out the batteries inside our 21 Rubicon diesel. It's a little bit different than the gasoline engine of a 3.6 and the 2.0. So we have the dreaded issue of our battery being dead after sitting for a day. Happened to us yesterday. I tried charging it. The battery wouldn't charge because I guess both batteries were dead. So yesterday I went ahead, or last night, I took out the batteries so I could charge them. They were put back in so I could go to the store and pick up a new battery. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to switch out your batteries on the ecodiesel. A lot of people keep saying that you have to pull the fenders and the flare, but on the diesel it's so much easier. The battery is located underneath this battery, and we're going to show you how fast and easy that is. So let me set up. Tools that you're going to need is a 10mm. It'll take everything apart that you want. So let's go ahead and start. Loosen up your clamps on your battery. Real simple. And move them out the way. You have a little battery hold down right in here. I took mine out last night, didn't put it back in. This is what it looks like. It looked just like that. Once again, 10mm. That's why you need the extension, and that comes out. So once you got your battery disconnected and you got your battery hold down taken out, it's as easy as pulling up. It helps if you pull the hood all the way back. Just lift up and lift out. Now underneath here, you'll have this little panel right here, and this is where your second battery is located. Yeah, I finger tightened it last night. So now you can see the battery box is a little dirty from when we go off-road, covered in dirt. Not surprised, not worried about it. Maybe you might want to take the time to get a shop vac, vacuum it out. I did notice that there was dead bugs underneath inside the aux battery area. So panel lifts up, and there's your secondary battery right here. So with this one, just lift up like so, and then once you got it out, hit 10mm. And I'm doing this right now with one hand, so it's not difficult, real easy. And just like that, you got your battery removed. And there's your aux, and there's your main. So I'm not going to be putting the auxiliary battery back in. I did not get another one. I saw online how somebody just did a brand new main battery up on top, and they wired their negative and positive back into your terminals. I'm not recommending you do that without doing your own research first, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see how it is, and on the video I'll post an update of how well it works, if it does work after a little while. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to jump back on here and I'm going to show you guys me putting a new battery back in. But it'll be as easy as putting a new battery with positive, negative, putting it back in and putting the lid back. But we will be putting the lid back on and keeping it just like that. That way, if it doesn't work out for what I have planned, it's all the parts are still there. So I'm making this video because I'm gonna try to delete my auxiliary battery. Gonna be mounting it on the hot battery for the main battery, but that hole ain't big enough for the positive, so I'll drill it out just a little bit. Let's see if that works. That worked. Gotta flatten out these little see if I could do it upside down. Yep. Flying down one of those wings because the nut won't fit.
Your second pair of glasses is free. It's like finding free money. Hurry in soon and use your vision benefits before they expire. Your free second pair at I-1 Express.
How would you spend your holidays this year? How about in a new Ram truck or a new Jeep from National Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram? Come get bodacious year-end savings now during the big.
Looks like it's time to lube up my tools. So let's
Visit National Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram,
see. Nope.
17 in Jacksonville or nationaldodge.com.
And no credit check. That's more money to spend cash, or catch up on bills. Millions of people will download today to get your future money now to help pay for expenses today. Future you will thank you. Download Dave today. Then you go to dave.com/greenhold. That's dave.com/greenhold. Sign up for an extra cash account and get up to $500. Terms and conditions. Go to dave.com/legal. Instant transfer fees apply. Banking provided by Evolve. Member FDIC.
That's tight. Now, negative. Let's see if it'll fit on this little one that's here. Looks like those holes would line up.
Nacho fries are back. Only at Taco Bell. Participating U.S. Taco Bell locations for limited time only while supplies last. Kind of local store for hours and participation is there. I thought learning a language would be too much work.
Alright. So now we got our aux positive and negative hooked up to our primary. We did get a bigger, not bigger, but a stronger battery. We picked this one up at AutoZone. It's an Odyssey, 850 cold cranking amps versus factory. What was the factory one? 700 cold cranking amps. So same size, just new wires on top. Gotta finagle it just a little bit. Now you put your battery hole down in. Doesn't have to be too tight, but make sure it's a little snug. Take off the protective cover if you're hot. Now that positive slides right down on. Oh, not so much. There you go. Now it's on. So if this works out, I'll just cut out have the boot just like that. I know, handsome, I know. Got my dog here. He wanted to be outside with me. He was crying inside. So now we're going to put our negative on. And that's it. Start it up. Battery voltage is good. No check engine lights. Charging. So yeah, go and drive around with it for a while. Now, one thing a lot of people might ask is, this is going to look different. So when you disconnect the battery, it resets your systems. Handsome, stop, enough. And it will go back to normal. It just takes a little while. So I'm going to add this to our battery change and show you guys how it works. But remember, you have to have this off for it to work properly, otherwise it might mess up your battery. But we have the taser, so we're not worried about it. Battery voltage is good, still no check engine light, and I'll update on the comment section or description below if anything goes on or anything like that. So hope this video helped you out. If our content is good for you and you enjoy it, support us, give us a like, subscribe, sorry. Also leave a comment below if you have any questions or any other things you might want to see done to a Jeep, so I could do it and show you guys a video. Till next time, talk to you guys later. Be safe on the trails.